So I should probably be using my GoPro to show you this because I'm going to have my hands messed up. But so this is a wire pull, and you just put it on the end of the bolt like that. You can see it's threaded right on there. You just twist it on with your hand. And so then you take the spacer here and the bolt. And so I'm going to leave them apart for now and show you what I'm doing here. So I've got to get the spacer and the bolt here through this hole and come out up there, which obviously you can see you don't have room to get your hand near. But you take the little wire doohickey, wire pull, and I'm just feeding it in there and try to get it to come out. Oh, look, it's right there. So I bent the wire to help it get there. So there it is. So we'll just grab it and pull it down. And then I put another kink in this end of the wire so that I don't accidentally pull the wire all the way through the hole there. So now we'll just thread the bolt and the bracket thing, whatever they called that. There we go. So got it on there. And then I'll thread the bolt on there. I know you can't see it because I got the hands there. But anyway, so I'll thread it on and then come back in just a second here to show you the rest of this. Okay, we're back. So I got the bolt threaded on and there's the spacer. So we'll stick the spacer in, and they tell you over and over, don't put the bolt through the spacer and then feed it because they get jammed up, so you feed them through separately. So I'm just going to stick it in there, cram it in. And I had to take a Dremel and just bevel this hole out just a little bit to get the bolt through. So then just pull on this puppy like this, and the other side came through. Man, look at that. Slickest thing since sliced bread. What is that, like 5 seconds to pull that thing through there? The guy that invented these wire pulls, man, I hope he's a millionaire.